The Super Eagles has qualified for the 2025 African Cup of Nations AFCON with one game left in the race to the competition. Victor Osimhen scored an equalizer in the final minute of the 2025 AFCON qualifying clash against Benin Republic to ensure that Nigeria finishes Group D as winners. Thursday's strike against Rwanda brings Victor Osimhen's tally to 23 for the Super Eagles and pushes him to the joint second position in the Nigerian top scorer list. He's at par with legendary Segun Odegbami. Libya, bottom of the Group D lot, defeated Rwanda 0-1 in Kigali, depicting Nigeria have reached the finals of the tournament. The defeat means Rwanda are 5 points shy of the Super Eagles with just a game to spare in the qualification series. Even if the Super Eagles is defeated in their next match in Uyo, Nigeria on Monday, they still can't surpass Nigeria's point tally. In their game against Benin Republic, the Super Eagles battled to a 1-1 draw, which means they will finish the group as the leaders. The draw takes Nigeria to 11 points as against second-placed Benin Republic 7 points. With one more round of matches to go, the game against Rwanda comes up next Monday in Uyo. The Mediterranean Knights of Libya are at the foot of the Group D standings with 4 points. Benin Republic need to win against Libya in their next match or hope that the Super Eagles do them a favor by beating Rwanda on Monday while they avoid a loss. The Super Eagles were runners-up in the last edition of the AFCON, where they lost to a host nation, Côte d'Ivoire, in the final. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more sports updates.